Today I'm making a super easy one-pot garlic and lemon chicken and rice. I love one-pot recipes because they're super easy and you don't have a lot of dishes to wash, which I hate doing dishes. Now this dish has some pantry-friendly ingredients, some fresh garlic paste and lemon juice, and it is to die for. You've got to try it. And if you like it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it.
I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, but you can use skinless as well if that's what you prefer. I'm seasoning them with olive oil, smoked paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, and fresh lemon juice. I was fresh out of gloves, but I'm one of those weirdos that actually likes the feeling of raw chicken, so I didn't mind it. I like to get some of the seasoning under the skin and let your chicken marinate while you prep your other ingredients, or you can let it marinate overnight. I'm using one banana shallot, which is a cross between an onion and a shallot. You can sub for a regular shallot or onion if that's all you have. I like the mild flavor and how easy they are to prepare. I really want the garlic to come through in this dish, so I'm going to make a garlic paste. I'm using 6 large cloves of garlic and a pinch of coarse salt. You can also make the paste using your knife and coarse salt, or you can use minced garlic, but with the paste, you're really gonna taste that garlic. Heat your oil on medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's barely smoking. You're then going to add your chicken skin side down and make sure to press down to make sure all of the chicken is in full contact with your pan because we want that skin to crisp up. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until it's nice and golden, and you're going to flip them over and repeat the same process on the other side. And don't worry, I know it seems like a lot of oil, but we're just using it to get that nice, beautiful golden color on our chicken, and then we're gonna strain some of the oil and leave about 2 tablespoons. Once the chicken has finished cooking 3 minutes on the other side, set aside and again remove some of the oil and only leave about 2 tablespoons. You're then gonna turn your heat to medium and add in your shallots. Cook for 4 minutes to allow it to develop some color. You'll then add in the vermicelli and a tablespoon of butter and toast the vermicelli for about 3 minutes so it also develops some color. I love adding vermicelli to rice and especially this dish because it makes it like a rice-a-roni. Add in your garlic paste and saute that for about 30 seconds. I'm using jasmine rice, but you could also use basmati rice. You would just have to adjust the amount of liquid and make sure to wash your rice until the water runs clear and strain. Add your rice to your pan along with your dried oregano, turmeric, onion powder, and toast the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes till it smells nice and nutty. You're then gonna add in your low sodium chicken broth. I'm actually using the Better Than bouillon, which I dilute in water. But you can use whatever chicken broth you have on hand. Just make sure it's low sodium so your food is not super salty. You're then gonna add in some fresh lemon juice and add your chicken back in. When making this stovetop, I like to start off cooking the chicken with the skin side up, and then halfway through I flip it over just to make sure that it's evenly cooked. Also top it with some fresh thyme or some dry thyme, and I place a kitchen towel between the pan and the lid. I find this helps it retain the steam and cook more evenly. And you're gonna cook it on low medium for 25 to 30 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken is 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's ready. The rice is nice and fluffy and the chicken is fully cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and top it off with some fresh parsley, and we're ready to serve and dig in. I added a little extra squeeze of lemon and I can't wait to dig into this. The chicken is nice and juicy, the rice is perfectly cooked.
That is delicious. The rice is nice and fluffy. You can taste the lemon come through, that garlic paste. Chef's kiss. Gotta try it.